Use makeup remover to cleanse the face of dirt, oil, and makeup. Cleanse the face using a facial cleanser. And then evenly apply toner. RF Handy Polar. Place the negative plate close to the customer's skin. Wear RF Handy Polar on the operator's wrist. Settings. Time, 10 minutes. Energy level, 3. Note, you need to step on the pedal to have energy output. Apply radio frequency cream evenly on face. Lift the eyes by alternating hands in 3 lines. Chin to earlobe. Nose wing to temple. Lower eyelid to temple. And lift the eye corners. Alternate hands to lift the face. Lift the forehead toward the hairline. Use both hands to lift your face up to your forehead. Cleanse the face with a washcloth. Apply some facial serum to the treatment area and spread it evenly. EMSEL stimulates cell regeneration and enhances nutrient absorption. Settings. Time, 10 minutes. EMS energy level, 3, EL energy level, 3, mode, default mode. Move the handle in circular motions across 3 facial areas. Glide upward along the chin. Sweep from the center of the face to the side of the cheek. And lift upward toward the hairline on the forehead. Cleanse the face with a washcloth. Face RF suction lifts, tightens, and enhances skin elasticity. Settings. Time, 10 minutes. RF energy level, 3, RF mode NOR. Suction duration, 5. Release time, 2. Set the suction intensity according to the individual endurance. Apply essential oil to the face and evenly spread it across the entire face. Glide the handle across 3 facial areas. Move upward along the chin. Sweep from the center of the face to the side of the cheek. And lift upward toward the hairline on the forehead. Cleanse the face with a washcloth. Apply a mask to the face. Remove the mask and cleanse the face. Apply toner, serum, and cream.